Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Smart TV Q80A. In this video I'll show you how to manage voice settings. In the beginning, let's go to settings, enter general and go to voice. Now you can enable or disable voice wake up function, voice hints, and then you can go to Bixby voice settings. In Bixby voice settings, you can change Bixby language, change voice response gender between Stephanie, John,
My name is
Julia and Lisa. You can change voice wake up function between keep Bixby on, hi Bixby, and only button on the remote. Next you can change sound feedback, privacy, and you can learn about Bixby voice assistant. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.